magkakaroon tayo ng ano nga yung challenge Fel na hindi mo siya papansinin hanggang sa birthday niya? No talk challenge. Hindi ko siya kakausapin hanggang sa dumating ang araw ng birthday niya. Deal. Diba?
Hi everybody, Happy New Year, late Merry Christmas. First of all, shout out to everybody that sent their birthday wishes and greetings through video and written, wherever you're able to send it to me. I really appreciate it, really blessed to have so many people that greet me on my birthday, especially for that video that was produced by At the Princess. If some of you guys saw it, I was really surprised by some of those appearances that showed up on the video. So it was a really good surprise that At the Princess made. Anyways, along with that birthday video she made, she went on this prank against me, which was since January 1, she did this no talk challenge.
So starting today, January 1, ang birthday niya po January 4. Magta-challenge ako, magpa-prank ako sa kanya ng no talk challenge to Jimray. Tingnan natin kung makakasurvive. Hi guys, good evening. Time check. Anong oras na rin? 10:37. Actually, nanonood kami ngayon ng Wonder Woman 1984. Ano siya? Butang sa...
So all she did was not pansin me for about 4 days, from January 1 to my birthday, January 4. At first I was like, I didn't really feel it until like a couple of days. I would message her, I would text her, she wouldn't say anything.
Okay guys, day 2. Nakapasa na ako sa day 1. Day 2. Malapit na. Hindi ko pa rin no talk challenge.
He's a wolf.
Manood tayo ng Wonder Woman. Guys. Hindi ko pa rin. Okay na yan, Wonder Woman?
I would text her, she wouldn't say anything. Then it got to a point where, okay, there's probably something wrong. Maybe I said something that made her mad. So I was looking down all of my messages and trying to see if I said something offensive, but knowing me, I don't say anything that's, bad.
Really good guy, so it couldn't have been me.
It was probably something else. Anyways, when it came to my actual birthday this past Monday, that was a big reveal.
Happy birthday, Jimray!
She was the one that brought the cake. And I was wondering in my head, why is she bringing the cake? Why does she want to show herself now? I think because all of the cameras are seen, so she doesn't want to show her bad side or something like that.
Tapos na ang aking challenge. Pwede ko na siyang i-greet ngayon, guys. Happy birthday!
And later on, she then finally revealed that, oh, okay, I'm done with my no talk challenge on Jimray. So I guess they pulled off. I mean, she was the only one who really didn't talk to me. She asked other people to do it, but they're big fans of me, so they couldn't not talk to me. Anyways, that was it. That was the no talk challenge against that At the Princess did it onto me.